What's going on, YouTube? Just for FYI, and no, that's not up there, but I am getting a number plate for the front, and quite possibly I might put this on the front. Maybe I'll get it made another one. I don't want all this white on it. Of course, the white edges aren't going to be there, but I mean the white in the middle. I think I want black in the middle and white numbers. I don't like all that white. But anyway, just want to show y'all I finally did get a headlight up there. And I'm not going to turn it on right now because that is super bright. I mean blinding bright. And yeah, I just have this stuck on there as like a protective cover so it doesn't get all scratched up. But that doesn't stay on it either. Anyway, just for FYI, I want you guys to know that remember I was trying to do the online diagnostic and repair by video chat. I was trying to instruct people online over the internet on how to repair their e-bikes and all that. Well, that's kind of been going slow motion. So here's the new plan. I am going mobile. I'm going to do the van life thing with the e-bikes, but I'm just not going to be riding around running my mouth and you know, just having fun, even though that ain't a bad thing. I mean, that's a great thing. But I am going to ride around from city to city, wherever I can go, wherever there's e-bikers in need of a technician or someone to help them work on their bikes and mod their bikes. So yeah, we're taking our shop on the road. And I haven't found a vehicle yet, but I'm looking for either like a Sprinter van or an RV, maybe a conversion van. I don't know, man. Whatever I can get my hands on and is doable. If you know something or have something like what I just mentioned, you got an RV in your driveway you ain't using, just in good shape, man, hit me up. But yeah, I want to take this e-bike show on the road. No doubt about it. It's a lot of dudes up in NY that need some work done, and I hear there's only like 3 or 4 techs up there, and shoot, there's 1,000 e-bikers up there, so it just ain't enough techs. But anyway, yeah, whatever city you may be in, I may be coming to you. And at some point, I plan to be fully stocked. I'ma have motors, controllers, batteries, frames, the whole 9 yards. Now, I mean, yeah, I'm looking way into the future as far as all that, what I just said, but not that far in the future. I mean, we're going to start off small, you know, and do what we can do. But that is the plan. So anyway, I just wanted to run that by you guys, and like I said, man, if you have anything that could help me take this show on the road, you know, hit me up. Hit me up. It's not a game. It's going down. Alright, y'all. Deuces. As usual, this is a crooked finger. God damn. A dirty ass crooked finger. My finger getting crookeder and crookeder. What in the hell? It's getting worse, man. I kid you not. And what's crazy, like I said, man, I did that carrying Frank down the steps And Frank started leaning and falling towards the glass. And when Frank started leaning and falling towards the glass, I grabbed it, and it bent that finger right out of socket. That finger made a left turn like that. And I mean, it hurt so bad. And I had to run in the house and be like, wifey, can you please pull my finger back in the socket? And she pulled it, and it said pop, and it went back in. And it ain't been right. Maybe I should have gotten it looked at after that. Maybe the tendons or whatever is getting worse and worse and worse. But anyway, shoot, they might have to break that damn thing or do something. Anyway, y'all, yeah, we out. Crooked fingers and all.